Hello everyone. I'm actually doing a little something different today, doing a little nature walk. And beautiful day. We're supposed to have some rain showers later this afternoon, but it is gorgeous out today. So I'm taking advantage of that and doing a little nature walk. We are actually currently here at the Indian Mounds, the Okmulgee National Park in Macon, Georgia, and walking across this bridge that is on the Riverwalk nature trail, and just bringing you guys along with me. Take a look and see what I'm looking at. Like I said, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. There's a little creek that runs along this area that leads towards the river. Pretty muddy. This is a cool bridge that goes over this waterway here. There's another look at the creek. That's an interesting tree. I'm not really sure what that is. It's kind of fuzzy, like a cedar tree. I'm not really sure what that is actually. Cool looking tree though. Take in a little nature today. A little shade spot here. The end of this bridge starts a wooded trail. This trail actually goes all the way to the river eventually. It connects with the Riverwalk on that runs through Emerson Park. The bees are happy today. Birds are happy right now. Coming to the end of the bridge, I'm back on a regular pathway. That leads on into the wooded area as you curve around there. And of course the park closes at 5 p.m. So be aware of that if you want to come out here and take a nature walk and enjoy the day out here. And it goes on into the woods that direction, and that's what we just walked over. All right, well, just thought I'd stop and share my time with you. See you later.